Hey everyone! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how with just a click, you can change your text to be curved to fit your design wants and needs. So first begin on your artboard. Then hover your mouse over the text and select it. You'll see this toolbar appear, and now let's come to this three-dot icon, and a menu on the right-hand side will open up. I'm going to scroll down until you see the option of text transformations. I want mine to be curved like this, so I'm going to select this, and it will automatically curve around and adjust itself to be centered and fit with my design. I could also do this and maybe move it down if that's what I prefer. I like the first option, so I'm going to stick with that, but if you wanted to undo this and revert to the original straight text, you could simply either select this here, or you can always use this undo button to undo any changes that you've made. And there you go! With just a click, you can use curved text to create more dynamic and engaging designs. Thanks for watching, guys. We'd love to hear from you in the comments, and check out our other tutorials to see how Simplified's design tools can help you every step of the way. See you there!